Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to enable eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the display option. As you can see right here we've got the comfort view, so let's tap on it, and here in order to turn on the feature right now just tap on the switcher here near use comfort view. And as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light. What's more, we can change the intensity of that feature just by swiping. By going to the left we can make it much cooler and to the right much warmer, so it's really up to you how you want to set it. And let me leave it like this, and under it we've got black and white option, and pay attention to those colors to this book. If you'd like to turn on this feature, just tap on this feature right here, and as you can see the screen turns to black and white colors and the shades of them immediately. So if you like this mode then leave it like this, if not just turn it off by tapping on the switcher again. What's more, we can set use comfort view just like now, so it means that this comfort view will be always active, or we can schedule it. So after tapping here on the schedule option, choose either if you want to set it from sunset to sunrise, or we can manually choose the time. So after setting the time manually you can easily choose the start time, for example this one, and the end time, for example this one. It's really up to you how you want to set it, and as you can see it is immediately applied. Now I can show you much faster access to this feature, so all you have to do right now is simply unroll the top bar and find the comfort view icon, which is right here, at least in this device. So now it is obviously turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.